Welcome to your YouTube channel Odisha Railway Study Point. Let's start the previous year official question paper of RRB NTPC. The interval between the section of a parliament sections and the beginning of the next season is called. Your right answer is this interval is called relaxation. Option D is your correct answer. Where did the Olympics first place? Outside the United States and Europe. Your right answer is Melbourne. Option B is your correct answer. How many years have India census done? Your right answer is 10 years. Option B is your correct answer. Which is the second largest organ donation? Your right answer is mollusca. Option A is your correct answer. Which year was the post of Lok Sabha speakers and deputy speakers? Your right answer is 1921. Option D is your correct answer. Where is the World Football Championship organized by FIFA for the first time? Your right answer is Montevideo. Option C is your correct answer. The reaction of nitrile and ester is done by the reaction of aldehyde production. Your right answer is Stephen reaction. Option D is your correct answer. The proposal for General Anti-Avoidance Rule GAAR was passed for the first time. Your right answer is Direct Tax Code 2010. Option A is your correct answer. In Rajya Sabha, the allocation of seats in state and union territories come under which schedule? Your right answer is 4th schedule. Option B is your correct answer. Under which article can the Supreme Court issue a right? Your right answer is Article 32. Option B is your correct answer. Which minerals are found in abundance in monazite soil? Your right answer is thorium. Option C is your correct answer. What does dhan mean in the game of judo? Your right answer is honor. Option A is your correct answer. Victoria Lake is in which of these continent? Your right answer is Africa. Option B is your correct answer. The word dead ball is related to which of the following games? Your right answer is cricket. Option D is your correct answer. Point defect in crystal lattice is a type of Frankel defect. By what name is it known? Your right answer is displacement defect. Option D is your correct answer. In what form are the area which come in the downstream of the Bisapri river? The river that constantly changes its path. Your right answer is Oxbow Lake. Option B is your correct answer. The longest river in Europe is Volga. Option B is your correct answer. What are the South Indian languages related to which language group? Your right answer is Dravid. Option A is your correct answer. By what name is the Bhudan Gramdhan movement started by Vinoba Bhave? Your right answer is Bloodless Revolution. Option D is your correct answer. What are the wide open area of South Africa called? Your right answer is Wales. Option B is your correct answer. What is the change achieved when the change in the velocity divided by interminate? Your right answer is average acceleration. Option B is your correct answer. What is called Shaivism in the Bhakti movement? Your right answer is Nayanar. Option A is your correct answer. Who composed the famous book Buk-ul Hind? Your right answer is Al-Biruni. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following is a part of the Iberia Peninsula? Your right answer is Spain. Option D is your correct answer. The Consumer Price Index is issued by whom? Your right answer is Central Statistical Office. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following is based on Pascal law? Your right answer is hydraulic lift. Option B is your correct answer. Military law is protected under which paragraph of the Indian Constitution? Your right answer is Article 34. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following games is not a competition to jump? Your right answer is short run. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following skill do not belong to the table tennis game? Your right answer is T. Option B is your correct answer. Who is published by the Wholesaler Price Index WPI? Your right answer is Office of the Financial Advisor. Option A is your correct answer. What type of democracy is the goal of policy director theory? Your right answer is social and economic democracy. Option D is your correct answer. Out of the following two states, the project related to geothermal energy have been set up. Your right answer is Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following was introduced by the practice of burning horses? Your right answer is Alauddin Khilji. all within Khilji. Option D is your correct answer. Modified cathodes are called corona particles in the ray tube. Your right answer is canal ray. Option A is your correct answer. The word Chinsila is related to whom? Your right answer is Sufi Sampraday. Option A is your correct answer. There is a gravitational force on a particle within the spherical shell. Your right answer is 0. Option A is your correct answer. The arrangement of leaves on stem or branches is called. Your right answer is phylax. Option D is your correct answer. Which act was done by decentralization of Madras and Bombay? Your right answer is Act 1861. Option D is your correct answer. The Financial Sector Development Council FSDC was set up to replace one of the following. Your right answer is Higher Level Committee on Capital Market. Option D is your correct answer. What is the pro-poor in the interest of the poor according to their vulnerability on taxpayers? Your right answer is progressive taxation. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following festival is called the Festival of Colors? Your right answer is Holi. Option A is your correct answer. Which year was the National Women's Commission established? Your right answer is 1992. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following dance style is known as Sagavist? Your right answer is Kathakali. Option C is your correct answer. Which state is associated with the traditional movement of Gombeta? Your right answer is Karnataka. Option D is your correct answer. According to the Child Labor Prohibition Act Amendment 2016, labor is restricted to children of the age group. Your right answer is 14. Option A is your correct answer. Which tissue is found in the human body as the hardest and bony tissue? Your right answer is bone. Option C is your correct answer. Who headed the second backward caste commission? Your right answer is BP division. Option D is your correct answer. I hope you like these sections. If you have daily hard work for your aim, you get your success in your life. Otherwise, no one can help you to reach on your goal. It is the bad truth of your life. Let's bye bye. Have a nice day. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.